keep going on in our heads and in our meetings. But you guys, the community, always surprise us. We thought we would have less than 10 stalls, but we ended up having 17 stalls. Thank you so much for the community. Thanks to Roma Pezer for supporting us by being here. Transition Project is one of our most favorite projects since a long time. Even before HSNE came into being, we have been supporting the project. And she being here is a kind of testament to what we have been doing within HSNA, that we have been doing something right. And thank you all, community volunteers, for making this happen on a monthly basis. I know a lot of you, despite all your busy schedules, cook those meals, which is like large volume. I have done it myself, it's not easy. So thank you so much for doing it, and thank you Roma for being here to support us. So the chai that you have all been enjoying is actually sponsored by Apna Bazaar. So thank you to Apna Bazaar for supporting us, and all the volunteers have been enjoying the tea and being refreshed by that. So thank you Apna Bazaar. So all the wonderful stall volunteers, you saw them come up and accept their certificates. Thank you so much, stall volunteers. This fair wouldn't have been this much fun without you guys. Thank you so much. So the stall volunteers had kids and also adults supporting us. So Shaila Mudigunda and Anaka Jamadagni, thank you so much for your wonderful churmuri stall. It was a grand success. Suruchi Gaurav and Vishal Gaurav for your Pani Puri stall and the sugar candy stall. Thank you so much. Pragna Shetty for the Gulab Jamun cakes. I hope all of you got to try it. It's wonderful. I reserved mine early on. Thank you so much. Savita Chavli for all the wonderful cookies and cakes. Thank you. Thank you so much for making this happen for us and making this so much fun. So all of the stall volunteer collection will be donated to HSNA, and as a non-profit, we actually incur a lot of operating charges. We actually also spend a lot on our initiatives, so this means a lot. Every time we ask for expenditure to our treasurer, it's like, you only spend, you don't actually bring in money. That's what he complains, right? And you being here doing this for us means a lot. It goes a long way for the next 1 year, where we have incurred all of these expenses. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. So behind the scenes, the kids that have put up the art and all the food stalls and stuff, there are parents who have not been in the stalls but who have been helping for the last so many weeks. I know some of you have been doing knitting, some of you have been doing other artwork, preparing for that. There has been weeks of effort that has gone in. Thank you so much for all the parents, for all your effort behind the scenes for making this happen. All the community members who came here today to support us, bought from the stalls, helped raise the money. Thank you so much for your support. You being here means a lot. Tatama Elementary staff, thank you for helping us, hosting this for us, helping us use this facility, being extremely gracious. Thank you so much. And all our behind the scenes volunteers, our HSNA staff, thank you so much for being here, making this happen today. Not just today, throughout the year. I would like to call them out individually. Timapa sir, who is the BOD, is always here for every single event to support us. Sir, it means a lot. It's extremely motivating that you are here to support us today. And all our individual initiative leads, I would like to call out. First is the education, Sanjay Charoli, Manish Jain, Shweta Pendigeri. Thank you so much for not just being here, working tirelessly towards this effort, but also working throughout the year to make many different efforts happen for our youth in the community. Thank you so much for being the inspiration. And next is food and nutrition. Atul Shah and Chandan are food and nutrition leads. work throughout the year. I might miss a beat, I might take vacation, I might forget about HSNA, but Atul Shah never sleeps. He never forgets about HSNA. He keeps it going every single month without missing a beat. He's the one who leads the transition project, food donations per month. So thank you so much Atulji and Chandan for supporting him. Satish, every single weekend I see a picture of him volunteering at OFB. Thank you for being that inspiration for the community and the youth to continue volunteering on a weekly basis. Akhil, thank you so much for leading the Seva Diwali effort. We ended up collecting 690 pounds of food, and he, during the very rainy and cold fall months, him along with other volunteers of HSNA went door to door collecting food. Thank you so much Akhil for doing this. It means a lot. And even tree plantation. He's the one who leads it, goes during the cold months, goes out, gets it done, right? And he's there and inspiring us. All the postcards that we are posting has Akhil and his family there. So thank you so much Akhil, you're an inspiration. The youth club, getting all of these hours together, getting them submitted, collecting it, verifying it with the leads, it's a lot of effort. Prashant, Kavita spent all the year trying to get this done. It's a thankless job. It's an extremely meticulous task. Thank you so much for doing this for us. I'm thanking you now. Though you might feel it is thankless, I'm thanking you now. Thank you so much. And the environment, right? Sanjay and Pawan lead the trail cleanup. It's very difficult to get volunteers for the trail cleanup. These guys go behind people, get them to sign up, get their families in there, and I see the pictures, you have your entire family in there. So it's like you lead by example. Thank you so much for doing it. Family support, I cannot tell enough about family support. The way these ladies, Radhika and Shaila, supported all through the year. They might be going through a bad year, but then it doesn't stop them from coming forward and helping others going through a tough time. It could be birth or other life-changing events. These ladies are tirelessly there for the community, helping them. Thank you ladies. You being with us, helping us do this means a lot to me. Lastly, the culture and creativity. All these fun events is because of the culture and creativity team. Thank you for being so creative and so cultural. All of us are cultural. So being so creative and so innovative in coming up with these very fun ideas to bring the community together. Anagha and Shweta, thank you so much. So all our and our core volunteers, Satish, Siri and Saravana and Shaila. Saravana is not here, but these guys are my sounding boards. If I'm doing something wrong, they don't stop me and say, Padma Shri, you're messing up, right? Thank you so much for being there for me throughout this year, being my sounding board, my rubber duckies. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, PG.
And the board of directors, Kidu Sriram and Smita Chakravarti, they're not here, but they're always supporting us in the background. So thank you guys. Thank you the whole HSNA team. If I've not forgotten somebody, it's not intentional. You are included. So thank you.
I get the last thank you. Yay! Thank you, Padma Shri, for leading by example, leading in sleep, leading when awake, leading all the time. So thank you so much. Thank you, Satish, for your patience.